Yes, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy stole a breaking news. Shenseea mother passed away, bro.
Blazing across the evening sky, gone too soon.
You don't make his face. What's up?
Viewer subscriber, when you have to come out and do a review like this, dog, it's hard. But first of all, we have to say condolences to Shenseea and her family. Because we know Shenseea feel it to her heart, dog. You see me? Right now, me there and me talk and set this video in a this way, dog. You can, you know what I mean? You feel it, dog. You see me? Because you see, your mother, you're rocking her, dog. Your mother had a solid foundation behind you. So you see, when your mother drop out, it's hard. Shenseea come from a ghetto place. Shenseea a ghetto girl. You see me? Our mother work hard for put her where she there. And now our mother drop out after Shenseea reach a certain level for show her mother the achievement. She pass out, dog. Mad thing. Meds.
Rainbow fading in a twinkling eye, gone too soon.
Viewer subscriber, Shenseea mother drop out a natural cause. You know she's sick and go to hospital and she drop out cause Father God take her and Father God take her. None of we know when I feel with time. You see me?
Mommy. Mommy. Come out.
Viewer subscriber, don't care how you get them kind of news, yeah? It's still a hard news. It still is a news we are going to hit you. And this I got there with Shenseea for the rest of our life. Because Shenseea and her mother tight. Shenseea mother got through X amount of things to make Shenseea be the woman where she is today. And even though Shenseea is a mother herself, so she know that woman pain. She know that mother pain. She know that love and joy where a mother have in a them heart for your youth. So Shenseea go feel this. And that's why, dog, we have said, you know, heart goes out.
And spinning right here one day, gone one night.
Viewer subscriber, after we talk about Shenseea wishes, we are going to leave a video for you for meds. How tight Shenseea and her mother was. But Shenseea left a message on her Instagram to make everybody know. So you see, when you see her in the street, dog, don't remind her about this. Because her heart vulnerable at the moment. And everybody's supposed to respect her wishes. You see me? Love and respect goes out to our whole team.
She's Rad's grandmother. Yeah. They say I get my smile from her. Give them one smile. Show the teeth. Show the teeth. My mom wasn't around me majority of the time growing up. She did a lot of living jobs. Come cameraman, take a peep over the wall. That's my son, my 2-year-old son. She set some standards in me that I will never forget. Not to do anything you don't want to do. Just be headstrong, be outspoken. To me, being a hero.
Viewer subscriber, when you have a mother like Shenseea mother will pass her experience down to her daughter, because Shenseea is a mother herself, so her mother pass a certain experience down and certain knowledge for Shenseea for meds, for come be a great and a strong woman where she is today. So you see what me say, so we have to say X amount because you see them kind of mother your dog, that's why me love my mother, you know. Seen for real to the 100 dog. Because my mother show me X amount of things. So me know where Shenseea come from. Me know where Shenseea deal with. You see me? And that's why I say love and respect goes out to the whole team. Shenseea, your mother proud of you. Everybody proud of you. You see me? For real dog. And we have to say X amount of respect. But right now, everybody just respect our wishes. And just respect for no say. You see, when you see her got you, just make she got you. The bother, you know what I mean, bring up certain vibes in her. Because none of we wouldn't want that dog. And so we see it. Viewer, subscriber, right now with your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. This hit me, dog. Your boy Stola. One. We not say nothing more. We out.